what we're seeing here on October 2nd, 2010 is an amazing amount of migratory birds in the trillions right in front of us. And they're going by, as you can see, amazing amounts of them. Don't know if we can hear them or not. Maybe we'll check the top. This is the most amazing migratory event you'll probably see in North America. This is absolutely amazing. We're on Robinson Road in Dunnville, checking out all these birds. And I'm not sure why they're heading temporarily north, but pretty soon they'll swing around and head south.